Okay, in this one we're going to have a quick look at the summer learning opportunities, particularly for English, for maths and for science. The summer learning opportunities for the specialists will need to be woven into the general comment box, but there's a specific summer learning opportunity box for the classroom-based course subjects. So, the purpose of the summer learning opportunities is to give families, children, ideas of things to do that they might do over their summer holidays, so that their progress doesn't take too much of a dip, and that they keep their brain working in terms of English, maths, science and the other subjects as well. So they're practical, often practical ideas that they can do on their travels or in any part of the world. All right. So if we have a look, we've got for English, we've got a reading one, a writing one, and a speaking and listening one. We're going to retain that from last year. So you're going to have 3 summer learning opportunities for English. We're going to have 2 for maths, and we're going to have 2 for science. These are in here just to show text size. Obviously, that's a reading and writing one, but just to show the sort of size of the boxes. So it's 3, 2, and 2. Okay, in order to edit them, we need to go into where it says comment here, and you'll see down here that you've got 3 boxes, one for English, maths and science. So if I go to summer learning opportunities for English, first thing you'll notice is that it's 2 lines of text for 2 lines of text on here. That's just, so you can actually run over onto 3 lines if you need to, and it will still stay on 2 lines on the main page. The most important thing is that this doesn't go over 2 lines for each of the summer learning opportunities. All right. So you can go into English, and it's just a case of having a reading one, a writing one, and a speaking and listening one. Again, the best ones of these come where teams have brainstormed lots and lots of different ideas, and then you can think about particular children or particular groups of children and match up some of their summer learning opportunities to their specific needs or interests. What we wouldn't do is have very generic ones that run right the way across a particular year group or a class, because the summer learning opportunities do need to be personalised as much as possible as well. But it is good practice to brainstorm many of them and then match them up. You can copy and paste again into these boxes, and it will sort out all the formatting for you. Please do ensure that there's a gap in between each of, or a space in between each of the summer learning opportunities, so that when it comes out in the box here, you've got 2 lines of text, gap, 2 lines of text, gap, and then 2 lines of text. Okay. For maths, you've got 2 summer learning opportunities. You can see that this one here has gone into 3 lines. It's 3 full lines. But even still, it's only 2 lines on here. So you can actually go up to 3 lines if you want to fill those 2 lines on there. So for maths, I haven't put it on here, but really, if we can be looking at one mental maths type activity or suggestion, and then perhaps one that children can do on their travels, maybe looking at shape and space, or doing some sort of applied maths or investigatory maths or research-based maths, etc. So that one can be very much mental maths and one can be a little bit more kind of creative. Likewise in science, it might be that you decide to choose a research-based science activity, and then perhaps a practical-based science activity as well. So you can make suggestions about safe experiments that children and families can have a go at home, or you can give them ideas on how to research different elements in terms of content and concepts in science. So just to recap that again very briefly, you've got 3 learning opportunities for English, 2 for maths, 2 for science. We've got 2 lines of text in the actual reports themselves, which means you can go up to 3 lines of text in these boxes for each one. We are ensuring that they are personalised to the students, and that there's quite a lot of variation from student to student and class to class, and that they are fun, exciting, engaging activities that children and families can do on the move during their summer holidays. Okay.